Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing how to add a control panel option to your right click contest menu using Windows Registry Hacks. If you are someone who frequently navigates through the control panel to access your system settings, then this tips is going to be a game changer for you. So let's dive right into it. So let's take a look at what our contest menu looks like right now. If I right click on my desktop, you can see that my contest menu shows several options such as new, display settings and personalize, but there is no control panel option over here. So now let's go ahead and add the control panel to the contest menu. The first step is to open the registry editor. You can do this by pressing the Windows plus R on keyboard, then typing regedit in the run box and hitting enter. So once the registry editor page will open, in the left hand pane you will find 𝘄𝘄𝘄𝗯 classes root. So you need to expand this, and under this you have to find directory. So this is directory, so you need to expand this also, and under directory you will find background, so you need to expand this also. So under background you will find shell. Okay, here you will need to create a new key. So right click on the shell key and select new, then select key, and you have to name this key control panel. Okay, so now you have to just create one new sub key under control panel. So for that you have to select the control panel, right click over control panel and select new and key, and name this key command. Okay, so in the right hand side you will find default value. You need to double click on this. So you need to name the value data. The name will be control panel. Okay, and click on OK. Now the time to test it out. So for that you have to just minimize this and right click on your desktop, and you should see the control panel option in the contest menu. Okay, so click on it to open the control panel. So this is how you can add control panel in your right click contest menu. So in the same way, if you want, you can also add the notepad in this list. So for that, so if you want to add notepad over here, the same way you have to right click on shell and click on new key, and here you have to type notepad. So under notepad you need to create a sub key, and the name of the sub key is command. Okay, and in the right hand side you have to double click on default value. Here you need to put the value data. So in this case what you will do, you have to just minimize. Okay, I am going to cancel it. So first you have to select the notepad where it is installed. So double click on this PC, and under C drive you will find Windows. Under Windows you will find notepad. So if you right click over notepad, you will see there is no copy as path option. So I need to copy the entire path. You need to press and hold the shift key on keyboard and right click on notepad. Then only you will find copy as path. So you need to select copy as path so that the entire path of the notepad is copied. Now I have to minimize this. Now once again you have to open this registry editor and double click on the default value. Here you have to just paste it. Okay, and click on OK. Now I am going to test it. So if you right click on desktop, you will find notepad over here. If you click on it, it will open. So that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily add the control panel and notepad option to your right click contest menu. This will save you a lot of time and make it easier to access your system settings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.